Ever needed to delete a folder using PowerShell but weren't sure how? You're in the right place. In this DelfStack tutorial, I'll show you multiple ways to remove folders, whether they're empty or full of files. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's a quick rundown of the methods we'll cover today. Method 1, using the remove item Cmdlet, quick and powerful. Method 2, using command prompt inside PowerShell, simple but limited. Method 3, using the FileSystem object method, great for scripting. Method 4, using the .NET class, offers precise control. Now let's break down each method step by step. The most common way to delete a folder in PowerShell is with the remove item Cmdlet. Here's how it works. To delete a folder, type remove item followed by the folder path in quotes. Let's say we want to delete a folder called test1 inside the D drive. We run remove-item single quote D:\temp /test1 single quote. That's it. The folder is gone. But what if the folder isn't empty? By default, PowerShell won't remove non-empty folders unless you use the -recurse parameter. This ensures all contents inside the folder are deleted too. Remove-item single quote D:\temp /test2 single quote -recurse. If you also want to bypass confirmation prompts, add the -force parameter. This is useful for deleting protected or read-only files. Remove-item --literal path double quote C:\folder to delete double quote --force -recurse. That's the remove item method, quick and efficient. If you're more comfortable with command prompt, you can still delete folders using the rmdir command inside PowerShell. rmdir C:\temp /test folder. This method works well for basic deletions but won't help if the folder has protected files. In those cases, you'll need one of the other methods. Another way to delete a folder is by using the FileSystem object method. This is useful in scripts or automation. First, create a PowerShell script file. Then add these commands: $object equals new -object -com object scripting.filesystem object. Object.delete folder open parenthesis double quote C:\temp /test folder double quote close parenthesis. After saving the script, run it and the folder will be deleted. This method is great if you're working with COM objects, but it's not always the fastest option. Finally, PowerShell lets you delete folders using the .NET framework. This method is precise and gives you full control. Open bracket system.io.directory, close bracket, delete open parenthesis, double quote C:\temp /test folder double quote close parenthesis. However, if the folder isn't empty, this command throws an error. To delete everything inside, you need to add a second argument, true. Now the entire folder along with its contents is removed. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. Remove item is the fastest and most commonly used method. rmdir works in command prompt but has limitations. The FileSystem object method is useful for scripting. The .NET class gives precise control over folder deletions. So which method should you use? If you need a simple and effective way to delete folders, stick with remove item. It's built into PowerShell and works in most scenarios. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more PowerShell tips, and check the description for more resources. See you in the next one.